Welcome students to your geography class. Today our topic is agriculture in India. Food crops. Today we study about the food crops like rice, wheat, pulses and all. So first let us start with rice. Rice is the most important crop in India, supports half of Indian population. Mostly rice is such a crop. It is grown all over India. It is a versatile crop and it can be grown in different altitude from hill terrace of Kashmir to lowland area of Kerala in the South India. There are about 10,000 varieties of rice in the world, out of which about 4,000 types are grown in India. So 4,000 types of rice are grown in India. Next, types. Rice is a kharif. It is a summer growing crop. Rice is grown in water. It needs more water where there is more water. The supply of water in the hilly region is not as much as the plain. Hence, the rice grown in this hilly region are called dry and upland rice. So this please remember all these block letters. Sometime it comes in exam. Next, soil. The soil needed for this is your clay soil. It should be chickeny, not sandy type. The climate is given here 24 degrees Celsius with the range of 16 degree to 32 degrees Celsius. During the growing season, 18 degrees Celsius to 32 degrees Celsius. Rainfall to above 200 centimeter. Next, methods of cultivation. What are the methods? There are different methods to cultivate this rice. First is your broadcasting method. In this, the seeds are spread on the field. Next is dribbling method. In this method, the seeds are dropped regular interval by the furrows. The rows are made in the field and the seeds are thrown in proper interval. Then next is your drilling method. Drilling method is while using the plow, seeds are dropped through the bamboo shaft attached to it and in the furrows made by the plow in a straight line. Next is your transplantation. Transplantation is a very important method. It is very important also. This method is practiced in the areas of the fertile soil. In this method, first seeds are sown in nursery after soaking them in 24 hours. Then after 4 weeks, these seeds are uprooted and again sown in a watery area where there is too much water, and this work is done by the it is a manual work. This work is not done by machine. You can see this. Then what is the advantage? Lot of labor is required, which is easily available. In this, lot of labor gets employment. Next, when resowing, the weeds are removed. Weeds means the unwanted plant which is not good for the crop. These weeds are removed. There is less wastage of seed as to the broadcasting. In this, the wastage of seed is less. Next is a Japanese method. This method includes the use of less but good quality of seed, sowing of seed and raise in the nursery beds, transplanting the seeds in rows to make weeding and fertilizer easy. It also involves much use in the manure to obtain high yield. This method ensures 3 times higher yield. In this method, the growth is more, yield is more. In most of the region India, rice is grown twice or thrice, but in hilly areas it is grown once. Next is a harvesting process. The rice is cut by hand. It is not done by machine. After cutting, the crop is left in the field to dry. Then after that is thrashed and tramped by the bullocks or separate the kernel from the seed by polishing the rice and may look better. So this is all hand process. Next disease is there, many diseases also there in this rice. Problems of rice cultivation. What are the problems? First is your rice yield per hectare is low. Farmer do not get suitable price for the crop. Proper storage of rice is not available. Storage, we have to store and keep the rice, that is not proper available. Disease damage the rice crop and can reduce the yield also. Our next point comes to our wheat. Wheat, it is a very important crop grown in North India. It is a staple food of Northern India. Wheat is the most important food in India, and it is staple food of millions of Indians, particularly in the north and the northwest part of country. Next point is your types. On the basis of geographical variation, two varieties of wheats are grown. First we can say the normal bred variety and harder variety. First, what is normal bred variety? It is grown in an irrigated land where the soil is favorable, loamy and clay in nature. It is most grown in Punjab and Haryana. Harder grows well in the clay and black soil in the area of high rainfall. It is mostly grown in Madhya Pradesh and Maharashtra. So these wheats are distributed in the areas according to areas, hard and normal bred variety. Next, the climate is given over here. What type of climate we need? You can read this climate. Climate and rainfall is given here. The methods of cultivation. Wheat is a rabi crop. Rabi means it is a winter crop. Wheat is a winter crop. Thus, field is prepared by the end of November and crops are harvested in the March, since sowing and done following the rainy season. There is enough moisture in the soil to help to grow in early. Harvesting. The wheat crops are harvested by cutting the plants with the sickle that you must have seen, that khurpi type, close to the ground. Thrashing is done in this, the separation of grain from the spike. Then thrashing is generally done under the feet of bullocks or thrashing by machine. It is also wheat is also thrashed by machine. That we can say it's it is peeled off. Then comes your next process is milling. The roller process in the milling is an advanced and perfect process. Disease, of course, this type of crop also suffer from the disease. The fungal disease called rust affect the this wheat crop. Then problem of wheat. What is the main problem for this wheat growing cultivation? The continuous cropping of the wheat appear to breaking down the fertility of the soil and bacterial changes in the result. If we keep on growing the crop continuously, the fertility of soil goes up. So for at least 1 year we should leave the land free. Nothing should be grown on it, or some other crop can be grown. During the heading of flowering stage, excessive high or low temperature and the drought are harmful to the wheat. Cloudy weather is highly humidity. You must have listened that during the winters people say that it should not rain. It is not good for the wheat, because that time we have to cut the wheat. Now next is your areas. It is Uttar Pradesh, Punjab. Uttar Pradesh is the largest producer of wheat in India, accounting for 34% of production. The states in order to produce is Uttar Pradesh, Punjab, Haryana, Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan, Bihar, Gujarat and Maharashtra. So now they have given the paragraph wheat production in Uttar Pradesh, that you have to read this paragraph. Please read it properly. And this was today we have done two types of crops, that is rice and wheat. Both are staple crops. Rice is grown all over India. Even the wheat is grown, but rice is more staple crop in India than wheat. So this was your two types of crop. Students, please read it thoroughly. Any doubts you can clear. All the best. Next we will study pulses, grams, maize, all this. Okay, all the best. Thanks.